Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can chat with people when you are in a voice channel. So select the voice channel. I don't think you have to go in, but there's a chat box on the top right corner of your screen, and you're just going to select that. And then here you can talk to people in the voice chat, but just on text, as you can see. So I'm just going to write hi, and it's inside of the voice channel. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!